tomato coconut rice or tomato coconut fried rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes, and one of the most different of the coconut recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make tomato coconut rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of grated coconut, 2 cardamom pods, a piece of star anise, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 to 3 red chillies, a half a spoon of fennel seeds, a half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 green chilli, and 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the fenugreek seeds, salt, put in the cinnamon and the fennel seeds and the cardamom, put in the onion pieces and the garlic. Put in the grated coconut. And the green chili. Grated coconut and the green chili. Put the rest to the mixer. Keep on stirring. And mix. beef. Keep on sauteing. Put in the curry leaf and sprigs. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Now put in the pot and set aside. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the rice thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 2.5 cups of water, mix and let the mixture cook for 6 6 to 7 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the tomato coconut rice is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tomato coconut rice or tomato coconut fried rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.